guys, welcome back to the Rainbow Channel, and today we're here in Toca, Boca. But before we start this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Go and subscribe. Alright, let's get started with this video. Oh my god, I just had the worst dream ever. Let's go see if the kids are okay. Oh, baby Bella. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, what happened? Oh, it was just baby Bella. Oh, isn't it the fidget trade day? Shh! Fidget trade? Oh my god, I love fidget trading! Uh-oh, I think we woke up the whole family. Except Sarah. Fidget trade! Fidget trade! Fidget trade! Fidget trade! What? Fidget trading? I want a fidget trade, brother. That's not fair. We're gonna go fidget trading today. Really? What are you wearing on your head? It's none of your business. It's girly stuff. Not like you would know. Anyways, kids, it's time to get up because we're going to fidget trade with Miss Bench. Yep, we already heard you. Okay, first me. I'm going to be wearing this. It's my glasses. Yay! And my fidget trade things are over there. I'm just going to play with my guitar. Oh yeah, I love music so much. Now it's my turn. Honestly, I just want to sleep. No, I have to get up because I'm going fidget trading with Miss Bench. I'm so glad I wear my hair thing. Wear this, and I'm going to wear this. And now, I say, oh, my glasses. Put this, brush my hair. Okay, so everything is perfect. Now I'm going to take my phone, and my squishies, and do my bed. Ew. Excuse me, this is good human nature. Whatever. Come on, take your squishies. Okay, oh, my needle. Okay, let's go. Wait, hold your horses, kids. Wait for us. Okay, now let's go. But we have to get baby Bella ready. There we go. She's all ready. Oh my god, she looks so cute wearing that headpiece. I know, doesn't she? I just bought it off of Amazon. Oh, that's so cute, Mommy. Good decision. Yep. Now, Miss Bench is like 5 minutes away from us, so it's going to take kind of a bit of time. Okay. I'm so excited, brother. Yeah, all right, kids, we're here. Yes, yay! Going to Miss Bench. Okay, we came here really early, so hopefully there's nobody in front of us. Oh, there is, Mommy. Aw. Do you guys want to open these surprise thingies? Yeah. I'll go first. Oh, I got a green one of my favorite. A noodle. Are you serious? It's fine, brother. I'm going to get a way better one than you, so it's fine. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. I got a green one as well. I'm gonna get... Oh. Ew, an onion, get it off of me. Ah. Ow. I'm so sorry about that. It's okay. Let's just leave it there. Yeah, I don't even want it. Same. Good thing it was free, yeah. Alright, bye. It's our turn. Sarah, do you want to go first? Yep. Hi, can we fidget trade? Of course, I love fidget trading. Can I record this? Yes. Okay, so you can set up what you have, and I'll set up what I have. Okay, I'm all ready. Okay, I'm going to start off with this brand new cheese squishy. Oh my god, that is super cute. I'm loving that. I'm going to give you this slime. I honestly accept. Me too. Eee! Here you go. Thank you. Here you go. Yes. Okay, I'm going to start off with this brand new squishy pickle. Oh my god, this is super cool and rare. So I'm going to give you this color changing Nito. But can you add? Oh yeah, I can add. I'll give you this bread. Yeah, I accept. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this squishy carrot. Oh, super cute. I'm gonna give you this brand new squishy mango. Oh, that is super cute. Okay, I accept. Okay, I think it's time to let my brother fidget trade now. Okay. Thanks for fidget trading. Brother, come on. It's fun. Okay. Hi, can we fidget trade? Of course, I love fidget trading. Okay, I'm going to start off with this brand new slime. Oh my god, that is so cool. I've been wanting that one. I'll trade you this squishy octopus. Honestly, can you add a little bit? Yes, I can add. I'll add you this squishy duck. I accept. But can you add? I'll trade you this Needle Nice Cube. Okay, I accept. I accept as well. Yay! There we go. Thank you. Yes, and blue needle. Okay, I'll start with this blue color changing needle. I haven't got that one yet. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna trade you this yellow needle. Oh my god, that is so rare. But can you add? Because it's really rare. Yeah, I'll definitely add. I trade you this green dumpling. Ooh, can you just add one more thing? Of course. I trade you this white dumpling. Oh, yes. Okay, I accept. Yes, me too. Oh my god, this is so rare. I can't believe I got it. Ah, lucky. It's fine, sissy. Okay, do you have anything else to fidget trade with? Of course. I have many things to fidget trade with. I'll trade you this green slime. If I could get the jar. Sis! It's okay, I'll get it off. Okay, there. Thanks, sis. I'll trade you this green slime. It went on me again. Okay, for that, I'm gonna trade you this apple. Ooh, but can you add? Of course. I'm going to trade this, but can you add? Yes, I'll trade you this chocolate. Accept too. Yay. Okay. Thanks for fidget trading with us. No problem. Let's go home, sis. Okay, let's go. Pack up our things. Okay, I'm so excited. I got the rare yellow tiger. Ooh, lucky duck. Why am I holding your basket? Just hold it. Mom, Dad, come on. Was it fun, kids? Yes, of course it was fun. I love fidget trading with Miss Bench, honestly. Alright, kids, what do you want to do now? Do you want to go eat somewhere? Yeah, let's go eat somewhere. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna find a table, okay? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go look around and then you kids can stay here. Okay. Let's go see what they have. Oh my god, your baby is so cute. Oh, thank you. I love your baby as well. Where did you find that cute little hat? Oh, I just bought it off Amazon. Oh, I'm definitely gonna buy that for my baby. Oh, thank you. No problem. I think the kids would like burgers, ramen. Ooh, they also have some yummy sushi. Honestly, I think the kids are gonna want pizzas or burgers. Kids, what do you want? Burgers. Okay, me and your dad are going to get sushi, and then I'm gonna get ramen. I don't know what he's gonna get, but we are gonna go get our food, and then we're gonna go get your burgers. Okay, so let's order the burgers. Excuse me, sir. Oh, sorry. That's okay. Okay, can I have one order of burger and french fries? Oh, of course, coming right up. You're gonna pay cash or card? Cash. Here you go. Thank you, ma'am. Here's one. One burger. Do you want it wrapped? Because I could go get it wrapped for you. Yes. Can you wrap it, please? Hey, man, can I wrap it? Yeah. I know it says pizza, but it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Thank you, man. No problem. Okay, I know it says pizza, but I promise it's a burger. Okay, we definitely believe you. Okay, another burger and fries. More burgers. Yeah, we got a big order. And here you go. Do you want me to, like, maybe hold them for you? Because you have a baby, I know. Yeah, we'll go pick it up in a little bit. Okay. Oh, it's okay, baby Bella. I forgot to bring her a pacifier. Oh, I'm gonna get... Hi. How can I help you today? Can I order a ramen? Of course. Which one would you like? Extra spicy or non-spicy? Extra spicy, please. Alright, coming right up. Here you go, ma'am. And here's the spice sauce. You can add as... Actually, you want to take it to your table? Of course, but maybe in a little bit. Because I have some things to hold, like many things. Okay, I'm going to order my sushi. Hi, ma'am. Hi. What can I help you with today? I was wondering if you guys sell sushi. Of course, we do sell sushi. Could I have, 3 California rolls? Yes, sir. Coming right up. Okay, 3 California rolls. There you go. 3 California rolls. There you go. Oh, can I come back because I need to hold a couple of things? Yes, of course. Okay, let's go. Okay, kids, we're just gonna find a quick table. Okay. We can take these. Yeah, we can take these. I wonder if they have like any high chairs for the babies. No, they don't. Oh, man. Oh, I'm leaving right now if you guys wanted to sit here. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, let's just sit here. And I'll go get the kids. Okay. Kids, come on. Yay. This ramen actually looks better. Oh, yeah, you think your mom should have got the other ramen? Yeah. Mom, you should have got the other ramen. Really? Does it look better? Yeah, way better. Aw. Okay, here, kids, and we're gonna sit here. So, drop your squishies, guys. Okay. Oh my god, you didn't trade her the butter? No, I forgot. I love my butter. Okay, here's your burger. Thank you. Here's your burger. Wait, that's just french fries. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to pick it up. Thank you. Would you like sodas? Oh, yes, please. And ketchup? Okay, and here's your fries. And here's your burger. Thank you. I want to go get the ketchup. And then what do you kids want to drink? I'm sorry about that. Sorry. Could I drink cola? Yeah, me too. Okay. There you go. 1 cola. And get the other one. And 2 colas. Okay, be careful at easy on the ketchup, Sarah, because remember last time what you did with your hair? Don't remind me, Dad. Oh, I have to go pick up my sushi. Oh, I'll take the hot sauce, man. Thank you. Can I have a bag? Of course, you can have that bag right there. And put the bag. Here you go, sir. Thank you. Okay. I got the hot sauce for you. Oh, thank you. I like my things extra spicy. Let's try it. Oh, baby. Oh, my God. Are you okay? That's fine. I just got a little spiced out. Could I have some cola? Of course. There. Oh, my God. Oh, that's a relief. But the noodles are so good. It has beautiful texture. I got 3 California rolls, but I still like these. I think she just got confused. You want one California roll? Yes. And let's give one to Baby Bella to see if she likes it. Oh, she likes it. Okay, let's give her some more. Okay. I love it. I love it. Oh, I forgot to put some ketchup. You can never go wrong with any cola. Yep. I know. I kind of want another french fry. You want another french fry? I'll go get you one. Okay, here you go, sir. Thanks, Dad. Oh, could I have another burger instead? Yeah, you can have another burger, I mean. Here. Thanks, Dad. Could I have another one? Sure. I'll put some ketchup on there. Uh-oh. Not again. Alright guys, that was the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and comment down below if you think there's going to be a part 2 of Isaac's hair. Oh no. Oh my god, Isaac. Bye guys.